Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 fire weather outlook. There are two elevated fire weather areas tomorrow, one covering eastern Arizona, most of New Mexico, and south central Colorado. The second elevated fire weather area tomorrow covers parts of Idaho, a small portion I should say. So previous discussion I'm going to read first. So, general mid-level flow will persist over the CONUS, with embedded impulses continuing to traverse this flow tomorrow, Sunday. Surface low development over the southern high plains will encourage dry westerly surface flow over portions of the desert southwest. By afternoon, 15+ mile/hour sustained westerly surface winds and 5 to 10% relative humidity atop dry fuels will promote conditions favorable for wildfire spread. Hence the introduction of elevated highlights. Channeled flow within the Snake River Plain will also support elevated dry and windy conditions by afternoon. Here, sustained westerly surface winds are expected to exceed 15 miles per hour for at least a few hours as relative humidity dips below 15%. So, anyway, I'm going to read the newest one. So, minor adjustments were made to the elevated areas on Day 2, Sunday. The latest forecast guidance shows that elevated wind and relative humidity combinations over portions of the southwest will expand slightly eastward into the eastern New Mexico plains. The current eastern extent is limited by fuels and by fuels receptivity, as both live and dead fuels remain below critical dryness thresholds across the region. Farther north, across the Snake River Plain of Idaho, the aerial extent of the anticipated elevated conditions there was trimmed slightly in agreement with the latest forecast guidance, keeping the driest afternoon relative humidities constrained to the lowest elevations. So, that's your Day 2 fire weather outlook. Stay safe in these areas tomorrow. And vigilant. Stay safe and vigilant. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fires can start and spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas tomorrow. Because all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Even if they're not lit. Because one, that's littering, which is illegal and unsafe and can result in a pricey fine should you get caught. And two, all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before throwing it away. So, stay safe in these two areas tomorrow within the elevated, and I will have my Day 1 fire weather outlook tomorrow morning. Take care.